If you thought pier collapses were rare, think again. Here's the shocking news from Santa Cruz. A 150-foot section of Santa Cruz Pier collapsed into the ocean, sending 3 construction workers into the water. Lifeguards rescued 2, and the 3rd climbed out on their own. No serious injuries reported, says the Santa Cruz Fire Department. Debris, including potentially hazardous materials, spilled into the ocean, forcing the city to shut down Main and Cowell's beach. The pier was already closed due to storm damage. Stay safe out there, folks. High surf and coastal flood warnings remain in effect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.